Today we're going to install the Havoc HS3 steps on this 2019 Ram 1500 new body style crew cab with a 5.7 bed. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, now underneath your truck, you're gonna have 3 studs at each location for your brackets. Now those studs are there from the factory. They've already got the threads on there. Now if your truck has never had running boards on it before, typically you're gonna run into a bunch of paint on those studs. You wanna clean that off before you go any further. Now you can either use a nice aggressive wire brush and work that off of there, or what I like to use is a die from a die and tap set. This is an 8mm by 1.25 thread pitch. Run that across those threads and it'll clean that off nicely. Let's go ahead and grab the board and set it in place. Okay, now our brackets are already attached to the steps, so we're just gonna line them up to the studs and then slide them right into place. Now we're holding in place. I like to go ahead and just get one of them set in with a washer and a serrated flange nut that's included in your kit. So get that on there hand tight and go ahead and put all of your hardware on all of those studs. All right, we're just getting one washer and one serrated flange nut on each one of these factory studs. We're just putting them on hand tight for right now. All right, now we can go ahead and do some slide adjustments, either forward or backwards. I've already got this right where I want it, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten it down with a 13mm wrench or ratchet. Now, very important, don't over tighten these, you just have to snug them up. All right, once we're done snugging everything up, we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.